In this video, we're going to go over how to use filter subscriptions in Jira. Here you can see I'm in my demo Jira org, and the first thing that you need to do in order to create a filter subscription is have a filter. Before we go over to the filters, I just want to explain what filter subscriptions are and why you may want to use one. A filter subscription will send a person or a group within Jira an email notification once a filter criteria is met. A way that this can be useful is if you have a customer support portal and a customer submits a ticket through that support portal and you're using Jira Service Management, you can get a notification to your email when a new ticket has been submitted so that you know you have something that you need to go and look into and check in order to meet your service level agreements without having to constantly monitor that project in Jira or that board. Another way or use case for filter subscriptions is if you need to prioritize and triage every single ticket that comes in as a request to your team. You could set a filter subscription for all tickets that were created within the last 24 hours for a certain project and have that list emailed to you once daily so that you can go through that list and analyze and prioritize and triage all the different tickets that were created within the last 24 hours. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see that there is a filters dropdown. We are going to go to view all filters. And here you can see that there is a support services tickets recently created filter. What this filter does is for any service desk project, so that's a Jira Service Management, project type equals service desk, and for anything for this type of project in Jira Service Management that was created in the last 30 minutes. Once you have your filter and you've saved your filter, what you can do is you can go back to view all filters and you can set a subscription to receive an email notification. What you're going to do is you are going to find the filter that you want to set up a subscription for, and you will hit this ellipsis icon in the right hand corner and you will go to manage subscriptions. Here you can see I already have a subscription saved here. I'm actually going to delete this subscription so that we can run through it together. Now, under this filter, we are going to click Add Subscription. I want this to be a personal subscription. You can also have it be a group subscription. So if you had a group for managers and project managers and you wanted them to receive this filter, you could go ahead and select a group here. But mostly I'm going to say personal subscription, and that is the use case for most individuals using Jira. Now that you've set a personal subscription, you can schedule how frequently you want to receive this notification. I want it to run daily and to receive this notification daily. You can set whether or not you want to receive it once per day, once every 3 hours, 2 hours. In my circumstance, I want to receive a notification every 30 minutes. And you can set it from when to run. So I want this to run from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And that is when it will send me the notifications. You could also set this to run for a full 24 hours. You can either check this checkbox. What this does, it says email this filter even if there are no issues found. I don't want to get an email notification if there's nothing that meets this criteria. The reason why is because I don't want to spam my inbox. I only want to receive notifications if there's something that I need to look into. I'm going to leave that checkbox empty and unchecked. Now, once you have all of your settings for your subscription set the way that you want, you can hit subscribe. And now you will receive a filter subscription, an email notification anytime a Jira work item or a ticket meets this filter criteria.